Hello, Vanakkam, Namaste, Salam Alaikum. This is day 5 of the vlog. This is AJ 393 and we are ready to leave for Chikmagalur, which is the last destination of the ride.
Here we go!
So yeah guys, like I said yesterday, let me show you the room where we are staying. So this is the actual sit out area of the room. So you can keep all your shoes and other clothes over here. Very nice. Most of the places in Kerala, you know, have this sit out place. It's very neat. And yeah, this is the room. So the 3 people can sleep on this bed. Is pretty big. The bed is a little messy. And day 4 vlog is still getting uploaded. Anyways, you have a small wardrobe over here to keep your clothes and jacket. You have a charging place and everything. Pretty nice room. And then you also have a very big washroom, which is good enough. Yeah. So this is how the rooms are. They have about 6 or 7 rooms. And they also have a huge family house, so this place is just wonderful if you're coming with the family. So once you step out, if you see here, you see at this place, this is where the beach is, and this is where we had shot the this is where we went in the evening yesterday to get the bike shots. So you also have some lovely trees over here. It's really beautiful. Let me just now show you the sit out area where you have dinner and where I was actually uploading all my videos and editing. Let me just get out now. Yeah guys, we just finished our breakfast. So like I said, this is the place where we were actually sitting and having our food and everything. So we had this place for ourselves for both the days. This is where you can park your bikes, your cars, or however you're commuting. And that was room 2. Let me just quickly show you that room as well. It's the key is there. It's a slightly smaller room, but it's more than enough for 2 people to stay. There you go. And this is the washroom. So this place is very simple but very peaceful to stay. So yeah, when you get out of the room, this is what you see. It's more like the beach on top. I'll leave all the contact details in the description box below. So you guys, if anybody's traveling this side or your friends, family, your colleagues, you can definitely refer this place. I'm not going to talk about the pricing because it may differ from time to time or from person to person. You may get a good deal, you may not get a good deal. So yeah, we paid what we paid was slightly on the expensive side, but it's definitely worth it, like I said earlier. And yeah, that said, we're all set to go. I'm all geared up right now. So we're going to get back to the bikes and head to the hills again.
And yeah guys, we're all set to leave right now. It is pretty hot inside the riding gear. So yeah, the day 4 vlog is currently being uploaded. The laptop is inside the bag and I have my hotspot here. So it is uploading and it will take quite some time. Okay, isn't it nice uploading your video to your channel on the go? See you. Take care, uncle. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Chalo, bye bye. Safe drive. Okay.
Bye bye to the beaches. Now it's time to hit the mountains. Hopefully, the roads are good ahead. Yes, we've actually come up to a friend's place here in the outer part of KL. So yes, say hi to Nitin. Nitin, say hi to the camera.
Huh?
Hi to the camera. Here.
Hi guys. Welcome.
Place looks very beautiful. So we just come here for a quick tea coffee break. Then we'll head down to Chikmagalur. Let's go. Cheers. We'll see you soon.
See you then.
Bye. Quick fuel stop now, just after the nice relaxation at home. So I guess a full tank of fuel, yeah, I don't think it should come until Chikmagalur. Maybe we will refill a little before Chikmagalur because we have about 300 kilometers to go, and on a full tank the fuel can do about 220 to 240. So yeah, so far so good. The bikes are giving really good mileage, all the three bikes. Very nice. Yeah, we just stopped for Raj, the other white Duke. We're stuck a little bit in the traffic. He's quickly trying it by set up the phone so that I can play some music. It beats the heat. So the car is just stopping for a quick break. So I'll park it like this. Get on, no?
Bangalore, Valparai,
Okay.
Muzzapilangad, Chikmagalur, Bangalore.
Oh, nice. So now you're going Chikmagalur.
Chikmagalur.
Okay. Nice. Which way?
Don't know, he's put the map this side, we'll see.
There are two ways there. This way is also, this way also.
Which side is good?
This is some risky road and
This side, huh?
you have to join with same road only.
Refreshing is lemon sugarcane juice. You want one? Sugarcane. Sure. Engine he's using on the machine. Honda engine.
And yeah, done with a nice quick break. Had a very refreshing sugarcane juice with nimbu, with lime. Very, very tasty. Got some good energy now. Time to mark some miles. quick lunch and then push off from here. So far everything is so good. I'll park it behind this bike.
Nothing like a cold water face wash.
Again, some authentic dishes, some nati koli with parota and some egg burji. What is that? What is that?
Chicken burger.
Who ordered lollipop?
Yeah guys, we had a very good lunch. Completely nati style. It was very nice, very tasty. So this is the place we stopped. Marish Nati style. Marish, yeah. Very nice place, very good food. So guys in Kushal, you should try this place. It's just amazing. Yeah, we just stopped for a quick break after the lunch, a heavy lunch what we had. What is that? No. So yeah, we have another 42 kilometers to go. We've reached, we just reached Sakleshpur, and from Kushalnagar to Sakleshpur the roads were just brilliant like you saw in the video. But apart from that, everything's good so far. We are enjoying. The tires are good. Enjoying the curves. So this is how all the tires look on the bike. In fact, the other two bikes have been used completely. See here. How's it going there?
All well.
All well. Why do you look so sad?
All is well.
All is well. Cool.
Wedding
So yeah, let's get to the homestay and then I'll show you guys around the place.
Okay,
It's supposed to be in
camera.
Can you not disturb? I'm vlogging here.
Camera.
Where this?
Alright guys, so so once we get to the homestay which is near the jungle, I'll get back to you guys. Gloves. Sorry, can I have my gloves?
Huh?
Gloves, please. So apparently in the petrol bunk we are playing a small game which is called hey, that's a dustbin. This place, the entrance looks like the entrance of the place is complete off-road, and but Pillion doesn't want to, get into this. But yeah, it's super adventurous, man. Really nice. It's time to go set up campfire now. So we're just walking through the small forest-like trail here. Sir, it's already kerosene or petrol?
Yes.
Gas? Oh. Oh, okay. Fill ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು refill. It's a very, very beautiful place. Wow. So if he turns off this light, the light off mode for 1 second. There. Look up. There's nothing there. Chalo, let's go. Awesome. New Year, Happy New Year. Huh? Hey guys, watch stones, huh?
No, we'll go closer to him, no?
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat. Hey, YouTube will mark copyright for this also.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, we finally reached this place over here. It's a very beautiful place. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to show you the place around because it's very, very super dark over here. It's in the midst of some jungle. So tomorrow morning we're just heading out for some trekking and taking the bike off-road. So hopefully I would be able to capture some good stuff. But yeah, here is the place that we've got just for today. So it's more like a very olden days traditional house. So if you see here, this is one room where we are staying, and this is the washroom over here. So if you see, they have this wooden kind of water where you heat the water from outside. It's very nice. And then we have room number 2 over here. So this place is called a Redof homestay. This is the other place. And the most interesting part is it's so old, this place, that you can also climb up over here and get into the loft. So it's another floor. And yeah, icing on the cake is tomorrow we would be camping. So we are not staying in this house tomorrow. Just for tonight we are staying in this house. Tomorrow after 1:30 in the noon we would be pitching tents. And it should be really interesting because even the previous New Year we celebrated, by pitching tents and camping. So it's nice. Looking forward to that. So that's said and done. Today's ride was very adventurous, pretty long, tiring. You can see it on my face. Nothing else, guys. So this video might be delayed by a day or two because there's absolutely no network over here. And that's said and done. Wish you all a happy New Year in advance. And ride hard, ride safe, do not drink, and ride or drive. Until then,